Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the tablet. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the tablet. Before you begin, remove the display cover, rear-facing webcam, and system board. Removal: disconnect the front-facing webcam cable from its connector on the system board and remove. Important: take care not to touch the camera lens. Place the front-facing webcam in a static dissipative bag. Replacement: remove the front-facing webcam from the static dissipative bag. Important: take care not to touch the camera lens. Connect the front-facing webcam cable onto its connector on the system board.